Alright, so in the given question, we have been asked that what is the correct IUPAC name for AsBr5? Okay, so for that, first we need to identify the elements in our compound. So we have arsenic, right? And there is bromine, right? So IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is an international body that represents chemistry and related sciences and technology, right? So the IUPAC name of a compound, the cation comes first. The anions, if the anion is a halide, then we use the suffix "ide", right?